皆さんこんにちは、かずえです。Everyday Kanji, Kanji on the street. Today's Kanji is this. Means to eat. On reading is 食 or 時期。kun reading is 食べる or 食う。The stroke order of this kanji is this. So yesterday's kanji was in, to drink, and 食 is to eat. So 飲食 means drinking and eating. Quiet places like museums are usually 飲食禁止 means no drinking or eating. And here's what you see on the street. And the opposite is 飲食可 means okay to drink or eat. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Hope you enjoyed. じゃあまた明日。バイバイ。